Alrighty, we just got started. Welcome back again, everybody. Buddha is here. As always, we're gonna take a look at exactly what we can do for the time being in Bitcoin as well as in cryptocurrencies. Welcome back, friends. It's a great day to be alive today, right? So we are seeing a lot of beautiful price action in Bitcoin as well as in cryptocurrencies. So I want to show you guys a couple of things today that I am really interested in. That then next 100x idea that you want to hear. I know you want to hear the next 100x idea, right? And there are maybe some, a couple of them, but we just do not know which one are going to be. We just what we can do is to put our money, our months, and live with the results, right? And just make a really solid strategy behind all the actions that we are taking. And as you guys know, as always, we have like 68% cash and we accumulated around 32% and slowly gradually getting in, right? And showing you guys exactly what I do with my money so that you can actually learn from it and not get liquidated by these big larger whales who wants to steal your money, right? That's the whole niche over here that we are trying to accomplish with all the community members as we, trying to provide you guys some value. So that being the case, let's take a look at the news that we have in this afternoon today. Big Four KPMG firm adds Bitcoin and Ethereum to its treasury reserve. So we are seeing a lot of big companies to be getting into Bitcoin right now, and that's really fascinating. That is really fascinating what we are seeing in the market, and it's really beautiful. So that's good to see. We have the Cash App stocks do rolled enable payments through the Lightning Network. Lightning Network is the feature. It's a beautiful feature. It's a feature where we can actually all connect with one another a lot more efficiently through these, digital currencies. U.S. national figures skating body adapts Bitcoin donations. Also fascinating stuff. We have the natural fear greed index, guys. That's beautiful. That's what we want to see. We are seeing the incentive change right now. A beautiful price action over here. We have the 4-hour divergence that gave us a sell signal earlier. It worked out for a sec, and then now, boom, bingo bango. That's really what we want to see. It's a beautiful day to be alive. Like I'm telling you, this could be the beginning of the big run that we are about to have. And you know what, guys? If you guys are interested in the indicators that I'm using on my chart, as I don't really show them off, I just not like to, tell you guys what to buy, what to, buy my products or anything like that, because that's not who I am. And I just don't like to talk about them, But if you guys need any help with anything like related to trading when it comes to these indicators, just shoot me a PM on Discord or hit me up on my Twitter or Instagram. Just let me know who you are, and, maybe I can help you out a little bit. I just don't have much time, but if I could, I would reply to you. So just let me know. But yeah, so I think it's a beautiful day and beautiful week to be accumulating and slowly, gradually getting into the altcoin ideas. So let's take a look at the daily time scale, guys. On the Ethereum chart, Ethereum has been one of those assets. I mean, look at this beautiful indicator that, I think all of you should have. I mean, you don't necessarily need to have it. I'm not trying to sell you this, but it's like, look at this. I don't need to do any kind of talking. It's just beautiful to see my hard labor that I did over the 2018 bear market after losing a bunch of money to create this. It's like all the way down. You accumulate it, and then this was the last bottom. Look at the March green signal on the background. You just follow these and make some money. That's the secret. And I'm trying to raise more money to build a better one, And yeah, so if you want to support me, feel free. But anyways, so this is pretty much it on Bitcoin. I think this is the pull down. This is a buying opportunity. We could see an inverted head and shoulders pattern like this, right? That will be a beautiful pattern. I'm not saying it's going to happen for sure, but it could. And yeah, anyways, let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is also looking beautiful. We have these resistances that we broke. We are retesting it, and maybe we're going to go up a little bit more. So that could be a potential pump over there. That will be good. Yeah. So everything is looking good. Let me take a look at you guys' altcoins that you may be interested in. So let's take a look. All right, somebody asked me in chat, man, this feels like the beginning of a bull run to me. Dip, then 10 and 15% pumps on alts. Yeah, 100%. I mean, this could be the beginning of a major move for the upside, right? And that will be interesting to see. Somebody asked me about Phil. Let's take a look. Yeah, this is finally like moving up a little bit. You know, that $20 mark has been an interesting location. We are at around $26, which is the first resistance that we have over there. So I thought maybe we would have something like this, or you know, maybe we're gonna have to put it like that. So I expect a major move over here on Phil that could come in after Bitcoin. As this is really down on his knees, right? It's just yelling at us. This is a decentralized storage, file storage technology that we are creating. So it will be really fascinating to see how this unrolls, guys. So beautiful question, whoever asked me this. Great question. Thanks for asking that. All right, we have in the chat, Sandor, hero is a sleeping giant. I hope it is. I hope you're going to make a bunch of money with it. I have no idea about it. Just educate me on it. Maybe I can take a look. Somebody asked me Stall. I don't know much about it, but we heard before, you know, that it could be a good idea. Tarlan asked me, Baby Doge is shitcoin or there is a feature for it? I am not sure. I would say just sell half on a double in that kind of Baby Doge ideas, because they are usually a cash grab and I don't want you to lose money. So just be careful. Ripple, please. Thanks for everything you share. Ragip. Yeah, for sure, man. Here to help. So XRP is one of those names that, you know, you can hold for the long run and it could work out for you. But I would say it is something that I would definitely sell half on a double on. It's something that I would sell half on a double and wear a hodl hat and accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible to reach your freedom, right? Because money is everything. If you reach the freedom, you own the game. So you got to reach the freedom through that and do that. Yeah, so that's what I would do. Somebody asked me OMI over there. OMI is a beautiful coin. I mean, it has a VV application. Alfred Khan is behind it. So it may not be a bad idea. Are you still 70% cash? Yes, I am. I'm around 68% cash. I have a bunch of cash on the sidelines. I am ready for deploy them, and I am slowly, gradually deploying them. And I think I may pull the trigger a little bit harder if I see another pull down, a little bit harder, because I believe in Bitcoin this year. And I think the next year to come and then the year after, it's going to be a fascinating time period altogether, guys. It's like, I honestly believe this, that like in the next 3 years, possibly like 5 years and even higher than that, we are going to see Bitcoin to dominate in a lot of people's lives. It's going to dominate your time. What do I mean by dominating your time? It's like you're going to think about Bitcoin all the time. That's what I'm trying to say. And a lot of attention is going to come to Bitcoin, I think, and also the cryptocurrencies because of all the functionalities that we have. So it is going to be a beautiful time period to be living on. And I hope you guys are a part of this journey, guys. Subscribe to this channel, you know what to do. All right, what else we got? Let's see. What about Matic, Marius? You know, Marius, like, Matic is a beautiful token. It's solving the Ethereum's problem that it has had for a long time now, which is the gas fee problem. What is a gas fee? Well, a gas fee is the transaction fee that you need to send to the blockchain miners. The miners are the people who are making sure the network is alive, and it's a distributed system, right? So you got to pay up the miners so that they are running electricity, running their machines with electricity to cover the cost. So you're paying them. So the gas fees were so high because the network was so crowded, and Matic was trying to solve it, and they did a beautiful job. And right now they have already priced that in. So I would say if you're buying it right now, maybe you do double or triple, but you're not going to get more than that. So just be careful with that one. I would still hold it. It's not a bad project. If you enter it in a really great location too, you know, it's not a bad idea to keep holding it, I think. Shark is in the house. Welcome, welcome. What's your selling targets on Serum? Probably sell half on a double. You know, wherever you bought it, sell half on a double and go back into Bitcoin. That's what I'm trying to do with Serum. I think Serum is in a great location to accumulate. We have taken a look at it before. It is in my list, watch list. Is Sam's coin, you know, Sam Bankman-Fried, brilliant guy. You know, he's the genius guy out there, was reached a $30 billion net worth and still driving a Hyundai, and the guy's a genius guy. I mean, all congrats to him. You know, I wish the best for Sam. And with the Serum idea, he's doing a brilliant job as well. And yeah, I think he's going to be successful. You know, the guy made FTX and they're playing advertisements on Super Bowl, and you telling me Serum is not going to be successful? I just want to bet on the winning person, winning people's team and their vision. So can you say anything, please? What do you think about GRT? GRT is not a bad idea. I don't know much about it. I would say sell half on a double. Let's take a look at GRTTA over here, shall we? Yeah, I mean, it's still going like down, but we are receiving a green buy signal. You see when we received it all the way down. I would say keep accumulating it. It's not the time to sell it. It's too late. This is the time to sell it on the red, guys. Come on. Anybody using this indicator? No, I mean, look, it's just not that hard to recognize that this is the sell location, but some people can't. So, you know, this is right there. The previous M that we saw, the structure that we had, boom, testing the support, boom, we broke it, retested, and done. What's really more fascinating is possibly that location was a key Fibonacci location right there, I would say. Usually we bounce off from a key Fibonacci location. Yeah, that's the 61.8. You see from this range, from this low to that high, this level is that exact level that we broke down. So once we broke it, all hell break loose. That's when you get stopped at. And if you retest that previous location, the previous buyers are now sellers. Now the price went down. We are at the previous, you know, buy location right now, and this is the time to buy it. Potentially, I mean, it totally depends on like how many people are selling right now and how Bitcoin is going to do. With the recent charts that we have taken a look at, it's probably not a bad time to accumulate it. So whoever asked me this, it's also a brilliant token to be asking, I think. All right, guys, I think that's pretty much enough for today. And thank you so much for being here, being with me on the journey. We have reached the 20,000, you know, subscribers. It's going to be an amazing journey to be with you all, and I'm really excited about it. And let me know if I can help you any way possible to make it a little bit more interesting and maybe make it a little bit more fun and less stressful, so that you're not getting racked with the volatility and not losing money on futures leverage platforms, and making a solid plan so that you can ride it with us and we can all make some money to reach the freedom that we deserve through Bitcoin and through cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much for being part of this video, and I will see you guys on another video tomorrow around 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Take it easy for now, everybody.